Ahead of the pack. Mastering the art of standing out. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and useful English phrase that can significantly spice up your conversations. Ahead of the pack. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you articulate your thoughts more vividly in English. Let's unravel the meaning together and explore how you can use it in your daily communication. The phrase, ahead of the pack, is a metaphorical expression derived from the animal kingdom, where being in front of the group often signifies leadership, superiority, or having an advantage. In English, we use this phrase to describe someone or something that is leading or outperforming others in a particular field or activity. It conveys the idea of being more advanced, successful, or innovative compared to the competition. To truly grasp the essence of ahead of the pack, let's look at some examples. In academics, with her groundbreaking research and numerous publications, Professor Smith is clearly ahead of the pack in her field. In business, our company has been ahead of the pack for years, thanks to our commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. In sports, the star athlete finished the race several seconds ahead of the pack, clinching yet another gold medal. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios to highlight excellence and leadership. Incorporating ahead of the pack into your English communication is a fantastic way to make your language more dynamic and expressive. Here are some tips. When praising someone's achievements, use it to compliment individuals who have excelled in their endeavors. Discussing trends, highlight a trend or product that is surpassing others in popularity or innovation. In motivational contexts, encourage others, or yourself, to strive for excellence and get ahead of the competition. Remember, the key to using this phrase effectively is to associate it with superiority, leadership, and being at the forefront of a particular area. Congratulations! You're now more equipped to use the phrase, ahead of the pack, in your English conversations and writings. It's a powerful expression that can add depth to your language and help you articulate concepts of leadership and excellence more clearly. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find yourself ahead of the pack in your English language journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.